When I realize that we have a very serious gun problem in a Jamaica that many people taking for joke. Take for example what happened in a Manchester with the brethren there and the police and the soldier them and Hague and all them type of something there. And right in the heart of this havoc, this drama, we see the people them I take it for joke and I laugh and I giggle and not realizing the seriousness of this thing and that we look a pity them we are going to school every day. Not even safe. Because anything can burst out anytime, anywhere. The little old lady and the little old men them where I walk on the streets and I go and shop by them like so. Them not safe. None of them not safe. Because anything can happen at any given time, at any place. With a place that doesn't manufacture gun but flooded with guns and ammunitions. Because in our culture, we glorify these things. We glorify crimes. We glorify violence. We glorify evil. We glorify toxic behavior. We glorify negativity. We glorify negative energy. And glorifying all of these things. No. These things is back at us to haunt us. I will not take it for joke. So when we have to take things serious and realize say, but this thing we have to work collectively to demolish these things. And these are serious issues. These are serious fundamental things where every Jamaican have to join hands in hands, or the majority of Jamaicans have to join hands in hands and deal with this thing. But instead, we laugh and I giggle like a joke. We don't feel like say, and some Oliver Samuel and some Claffy and some Anderman knows comedy business. This is serious thing. And me I tell